Hello everyone, and for today's video, I just want to share my routine with my two babies with their chicken pox. Yes guys, my chicken pox sila. Chicken pox is caused by the varicella zoster virus. We still see it guys even though there's a vaccine. As a mom, it's so hard for me na nakikita silang may sakit. Even though bihira sila magkasakit, pero hindi talaga ako sanay na nagkakasakit. They are regularly taking their vitamins naman, eating healthy foods like vegetable and fruits, but I don't know where they got. It's here na kaya din na silang gamutin. I'm not giving antibiotics. I'm just using antibacterial ointments and soap. And boiling guava leaves lang yung pinapaligo ko sa kanila. Maraming symptoms ang chickenpox including yung fever pero never sila nagka-fever. Magana pa rin silang kumain at bibo pa din. Actually guys, magaling na si Sophie. Ginagamitan ko na siya ng mga pantanggal ng mga peklat. So si Stacy pan 1 week pa lang niya ngayon. Medyo tuyo na yung mga sugat. So that's it guys. Kung meron din kayo mga chickenpox journey ng inyong mga babies, comment down below. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.